Question 4. What are the type of inventories and what their functions are? There are many ways to classify inventories. One often used classification is related to the flow of material into, through and out of a manufacturing organization. So as per the flow of material, the classification is: first, raw material. These are purchase items received that have not entered the production process. They include purchase material, component parts and sub-assemblies. Second, work in progress. Raw material that have entered the manufacturing process and are being worked on or waiting to be worked on. Third, finished good. The finished good products of the production process that are ready to be sold as complete item. These may be held at a factory or central warehouse or at various points in the distribution system. Fourth, distribution inventories. These inventories are finished goods located in the distribution system. Fifth, MROs. These are the items used in the production that do not become part of the product. These include hand tools, spare parts, lubricant and cleaning supplies. Function of inventories. In the batch manufacturing, the basic purpose of inventory is to decouple supply and demand. Inventory serve as a buffer between supply and demand, customer demand and finished good and component availability, between two manufacturing operations, and between supplier and manufacturing location. Based on this, inventory can be classified according to the function they perform. First, anticipation inventory. Anticipation inventory are built up in anticipation of future demand. For example, they are created ahead of a peak selling season, a promotion program, vacation shutdown, or possibly the threat of a strike. Second, fluctuation inventory or safety stock. Fluctuation inventory is held to cover random unpredictable fluctuation in the supply and demand or lead time. If demand during lead time is greater than forecast, a stockout will occur. So it is used to cater these kind of uncertainty. Third, lot size inventory. Item purchased or manufactured in quantities greater than needed immediately create lot size inventories. This is to take advantage of quantity discount. Lot size inventory is sometimes called cycle stock as well. It is the portion of inventory that depletes gradually as customer order come in and is replenished when supply order are received. Fourth, transportation inventory. Transportation inventory exists because of the time needed to move goods from one location to another, such as a plant or a distribution center or a customer. Hedge inventory. Some products such as minerals and commodities, for example grains or animal products, are traded on a worldwide market. The price for these products fluctuates according to world supply and demand. If buyer expect price to rise, they can purchase hedge inventory when the prices are low.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.